I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Excel. Open any workbook and sign into your Office account so settings sync. Once done, click File then Account to reveal theme controls. You do this because Excel's dark mode ties to the Office theme at the account level. Changing here affects all apps. Make sure your Excel is updated to see the themes option. If you don't see it, check Updates under Office Updates. Installing the latest patches often exposes missing controls. Now change the theme. Under Office Theme, choose light or colorful rather than dark gray or black. This toggles Excel's UI from dark to light. For more control, open File Options, General, and find Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office to confirm the selection. You do this because Excel relies on that Office setting to apply the UI color. Individual workbook backgrounds might remain. Once you set it, close and reopen Excel to force the new theme to load if it doesn't update instantly. Finish by addressing workbook level colors. If cells or grid lines still look dark, go to View and enable grid lines or adjust cell styles and workbook background to restore contrast. On Mac, go to Excel Preferences General and change the theme there because Mac OS handles themes differently. If you changed themes but nothing changed, repair Office or clear the Office cache. You do this to fix corrupted theme files. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.